How to recycle discarded metal. In fact, this is a very important environmental and economic activity. To put it simply, it is to reprocess metal materials that have lost their use value, such as auto parts, mechanical equipment, etc., into items that we can use again. The whole process is roughly divided into two steps. Scrap metal recycling is divided into two categories of productive scrap metal and non-productive scrap metal, which are used in metallurgy, machinery, chemical industry, construction, transportation, communications, electric power, water conservancy, oil fields, national defense, and other production fields. Among them, scrap steel is mainly metal materials. Machinery, chemical industry, and other industries and have lost their original use value. After scrap metal is recycled, it must first be shredded to form uniform small pieces, and then the particles we need can be screened out through a screen, which can be used directly as input. Of course, the scrap recycling process is not always smooth sailing because scrap steel contains a large amount of impurities. It needs to be crushed before smelting and turned into uniformly sized, clean iron balls before it can be sent to the steel plant for recycling, or for remanufacturing iron products and construction iron. For scrap metals such as aluminum cans, they must first be broken into pieces of 5 mm to 10 mm through a crusher, and then classified through a magnetic separator and a non-ferrous metal sorting machine. Finally, it is smelted into molten aluminum at high temperature and cast into aluminum slabs. Finally, with the blessing of the rolling factory, it is turned into brand new aluminum cans. In addition to these two types, scrap metal can also be remanufactured into various metal products or construction materials according to different types. Professional recycling machines and equipment are used throughout the entire process. For example, in the scrap steel recycling process, a scrap steel crusher is used to break the scrap steel into iron balls. In the aluminum can recycling process, a crusher and a special separator are needed for separation. In the can recycling process, a separator is needed to separate the aluminum upper cover and the iron can body. The entire process not only reduces the impact on the environment, but also effectively saves resources and achieves true recycling. However, it should be noted that during the recycling process of items such as aluminum cans, the paint on the surface must be removed. Otherwise, it can easily cause serious environmental pollution and high fines. Therefore, scrap metal recycling can not only significantly reduce resource waste, reduce production costs, and improve resource utilization, but it is also a major event worthy of everyone.